In case you're having a bad day, did you know hummingbirds can snore? This tiny hummingbird fell asleep and started making these little sounds every few seconds. This might be the cutest sound any animal can make. This little bear was running around a park when a man happened to come walking by. At first, the bear seemed a little unsure and kept its distance. After a moment though, it started moving around him and even playing with the guy a bit.